Clear your mind and calm your senses before you get started with any Simple Jane stretch session. Start with a little frosted peppermint oil and just give a few sprays around your body. Take a few deep breaths and start to relax. Now you're ready to get stretching with some On the Mend Balm and a Salt Stone massage. Start by applying the balm from side to side and massage in with the Himalayan Salt Stone. Really elongate through the sides and stretch through any sore spots. Next, place the stretch strap underneath your feet and continue with the standing roll down. Roll down vertebrae by vertebrae, and when you reach the bottom, pull into the strap and tighten your abs so you get a nice stretch into the lower back and hamstrings. Next, counter pose as you roll yourself back up vertebrae by vertebrae, coming to a nice standing, tall position, strengthening, lengthening through the spine, looking from side to side, and really feeling the stretch into the neck, into the front part of your body. Then shake it out, realign, and get ready to do some seated hamstring and hip stretches. Come to a seated position, and as you place your left foot into the strap, really lengthen through the spine as you reach your chest towards your toes. Take a big deep breath here and resist as you're pulling the strap, and then you can finally let go. Relax through the spine, roll yourself back up into a nice seated position, and then try again. Your first inclination will be to really let your spine collapse over your leg just to get to the stretch. But try to resist that by keeping a nice straightened spine, keeping your abs nice and tight, lengthening through the legs, and then you can relax and roll up and feel that spine flexion. You can get a great inner thigh stretch here when you open up through the side and really turn through the torso and give resistance with the strap pulling in the opposite direction. Finish with some hip circles and some resisted hamstring stretches with the strap. Let the hip just glide in the socket here as you use the strap to really just guide it around in circles. Remember not to pull just in one direction. It's a kick, pull, resist, relax, repeat. Finish with a figure 4 stretch by placing the foot over the thigh and really giving a push up to your chest here. Flex the foot and give some resistance as you push, pull, resist, relax, and switch sides. Walk your hands up and finish the same way you started with a roll up into a standing position. Take a nice big deep breath and gather all the energy. Give yourself a hug and congratulate yourself on a job well done. Standing stretches using On the Mend Balm and the stretch strap are a great way to warm up the hip and increase mobility while still finding your balance and strength. Start by placing your hands into the loops and place your feet into a split stance lunge. Take a few deep breaths and just start gently rocking back and forth, reaching your arms above your head, stretching through the hip flexors, stretching through the front part of the body, breathing. And when you get to a tight spot, you're going to take the strap and reach over to the side. Hold and stretch here from side to side and really feel the stretch through the obliques while still keeping your balance. Try lots of different angles and positions here. You can move your feet, you can raise your heel to feel what it feels like into the front part of your hip and to the hip flexors. Always finish with a roll down and then shake things out. And as you stand back up, just take a nice big deep breath, gather energy, let your hands come behind your back, open up through the chest, and look from side to side. Breathe deep and smile and congratulate yourself on a job well done. Good night.